how to start speaking in English, what to do, from where to start. You don't know because you are beginner, you are learner, you completely don't know what you should do, from where you should learn. Okay, don't worry for that. Here in this video you will understand from where you should start your journey and how to speak in English, what to speak in English as well, so that you can become fluent. You don't have to immerse yourself for advanced sentences, no, not at all. At first, in beginning, you have to stick with a simple sentence, simple structure, and it can be associated with present, past, and future. Which types of simple sentence I'm talking about? Let me clear it. I'm talking about, for example, as you want to speak in English. So from where you should start, you want me to answer. So the answer is, you have to start speaking using simple structure. For example, you have phone. So you can start talking about the color of your phone, the quality of your phone. Means you have to use simple structure in which you are going to explain about some quality of any object or some quality of person or anything. You don't have to use action related sentences at first. You have to master on simple sentences so that you become confident and you are able to speak fluently on that. Whenever somebody is expecting you that you have to explain about the feature of your phone or about someone, the quality of someone or anything, you have to, and how it's gonna be possible, how you will pick different sentences associated with simple structure. I tell you what method you should start implementing in order to learn or master simple sentence. What you have to do is, whenever you are sitting or whenever you are going or wherever you are standing, you are surrounded by things, okay, and you have to pick object and try to explain about that object, how it can be. I tell you, you have to pick, either you can say this is red or that is black. You can also talk about this is tall or small, dark or fair, or the quality of the camera is wonderful, and the features of mobile, it has a lot of features. These are the sentences. You have to stick with it, as well as you can talk about present, past, and future. For example, you are saying, you are talking about the color of your phone, so you can say the color of phone is red. You used is. Now the time is to use different thing means different auxiliary verb, means you have to use was, were, will be, am, are, anything, whatever it requires. You have to use any auxiliary verb to explain object, to explain about anything. Then you will master, then you will become fluent in simple sentences. And once you become fluent in simple sentences, then you can move for action related sentences. But first, you don't move for action related sentences, because if you will go in order, means in sequence, step by step, then it will be far better for you to learn anything in less time and you will not get confused. And it is wonderful. This is the way. When you will stick with it, you will learn anything faster. This is the thing that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you understand, and in my next video I will come up and I will start talking about what you have to do next in order to improve your spoken English. And in that video I will talk about action related sentences. Okay, thank you for watching this video.